what's up? My name is Dee and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review for you guys, and today I'll be reviewing the Dawn Powerwash Spray. So I'm also going to demo how to use this, you guys, and I'll be sharing my first impression, and I'll also just be giving you a review based on my experience trying it for the first time. So before we go into this video, I do want to take this time to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It really does help my channel grow, and I definitely appreciate you for doing so. Have you tried the Dawn Powerwash Spray? Leave a comment down below to let me know. I have the Powerwash Spray in the fresh scent, and I have to say it smells absolutely amazing. This one is a starter kit. So you get the spray in 2 bottles for $10.49 on Amazon. The instructions are pretty straightforward. It just says that you spray, you wipe, and you rinse. The whole point of this product is to reduce your time scrubbing your dishes, and now you just have to spray it, let it sit for a couple of minutes depending on how bad the dish is, and then you just wipe and rinse it away. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the nozzle is on. The worst thing is getting set up and ready, but your nozzle is off. So here's my extremely dirty stainless steel wok. I am definitely going to be putting this to the test using it on something like this. So I'm just going to start spraying. I'm going to come back in 2 minutes and see how we're doing. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes and I am trying to scrub everything off, but clearly you can see 2 minutes is not enough, and I definitely didn't spray it enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it again, and I'm also gonna see if my husband will come in here and give it a spray as well, because maybe I'm just spraying it wrong. Let's see what happens in 5 more minutes. All right, so it's been 5 minutes, and oh my gosh, can you guys see how this pan is so clean? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. I looked at my husband afterwards and I was just like, our mouth was open. We were shocked. It definitely took some trial and error to figure it out, but once you do, it actually comes through. So I also wanted to share with you guys some pros and cons of my experience using this product. So I'll just go ahead and start with the cons. And first, let me just say, I do not think that this product is gonna last a long time. If you wanted to order like a refill on Amazon, it pretty much retails for about like $5 for each refill. And that's fine, no problem. But we're already approaching the halfway mark, and we've only had this for about a week. And even though we use it every day, we still use like our regular dish soap, and we still scrub like the rest of our dishes and stuff, or at least I do sometimes. So I feel like this is just gonna go really fast, and that's something that you have to consider. Is it something that you wanna rebuy like every 2 weeks? Because you would have to. Another con is the price. If I do have to refill this every 2 weeks, that's $5 each time, and that's $10 in dish soap or the dish spray, versus like a $2 bottle that would last me for like a month. The last con is that you must use this product properly for it to work. This is not like a foolproof, dummy proof. As you can see in the beginning, I had some struggles with getting it to work, but once you figure out how to make it work, it's so worth it. Which then brings us to our pros. The first pro is that it smells absolutely amazing. Every time that you use this, one of the kids are always like, "Mommy, did you spray yourself? You smell so good." I'm like, "Thank you, it's the dish spray." And also, whenever my husband's doing the dishes and he's using it and he sprays it, I am like drawn to him. I have to like find where he is and just be there because it smells so good. Another pro is that it's just convenient. If you know you're not planning on doing dishes right this second, you can give it a spray, let it sit for a bit, and then go back and deal with it, and you definitely save a lot of time and energy that way. And the last and final pro is that it's just fun to spray your dishes. I have nothing else to say about that besides it's just fun to spray your dishes. So that brings us to the end of the video, you guys, and I do have a question for you. I feel like I need to test this spray out to see if it's like a multi-purpose type spray that I can use on other areas in my house that would require something like a dish spray or like a dish soap to clean it. So my question is, would you be interested in that? Leave a comment down below to let me know if you'd be interested, and you can also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!